Can you explain what the hell this thing is and why you have it?
This is our piece of shit Focus. We have this because our better car, which was a Mercedes, came together with a roundabout and it came together with a ditch, and it's now in some salvage yard in France.
So you're gonna race us in this thing now?
We're going to race you in this. We're going to win this stage.
Yeah, Sam. He's giving us the finger. Bubba.
Oh, that's too funny, man.
They didn't know who it was. Like, oh my god! Don't we have John? Be careful! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Go that way. We went the wrong way. Oh, that way. Go around.
Oh, the wrong way?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be. Oh shit! Here they come!
We went the wrong way. Pull the brake. Pull the brake. Pull the brake. Spin around. Spin around. Are they okay? Go! They're gonna hit us! Go right, no! This way! No way! Where are they at? Where are they at? Oh, there they are! They're up there! Oh no! Slow down! Look, they're spinning in the... Keep on going. Keep on going out. Ooh! I don't think they. I think they're having problems with their car.
My camera, I forgot my camera.
Oh, you didn't pay the insurance, right? Are you okay?
The handbrake on.
Oh my god! I can't believe that. Oh my god!
Oh, my stomach's hurting now.
Push him to the toll. Push him to the toll. Push him. Just pump him. Take this.
Noi non siamo DJ, noi siamo calzolai, siamo i crew che
6 miles behind us. You American fuckers are somewhere in between. And we're about... don't actually know where we are.
Malaga.
We're heading from... yeah, we're past Malaga
Or bust.
or something.
Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, you do. Take the credit card. Take it. Let's go. Beat the horn. We're in a Ford Mondeo. We beat the lead car. Fuck yeah!
calm down.
А здесь что останется?
Как что? Менты.
Только когда плывешь против течения, понимаешь, чего стоит свободное мнение. Звенья собираются в длинные цепочки. Линия жизни становится точкой. Строчки дни, стежок за стежком шьют твое тело с душой и огоньком. Здесь за решеткой начальник, полковник. Моя свобода — это радиоприемник.
Словно птица в небесах, я свободен, я забыл, что значит страх.
Им это значит быть всегда одному. Выбирай, что тебе сумму или тюрьму. Никому просто так не дается свобода. Из нее нет выхода, и в нее нет входа. Сода для того, чтобы чай был черней. Понятно? Тогда и себе налей. Я участвую в каком-то сидячем марафоне. Хорошо, есть приемник в магнитофоне.
Я свободен, словно птица в небесах, я свободен, я забыл, что значит страх.
Чай и папиросы, ответы на вопросы, допросы. Опять допросы, мой приемник. Односторонняя связь, тире и точки. Арабская вязь, я не могу сказать, но зато я